The question is about success sendirian berhad. The question have give the incomplete worksheet, and I have already do the column for worksheet at Microsoft Excel. So firstly, the question asks we to complete the worksheet and fill in the column for the reconciling items, either debiting or crediting the required account. So the balance at 2020 is the beginning balance, while balance at 2021 is the ending balance. So to get the amount of reconciling item for each account, the beginning balance must minus with the ending balance. For debit account, if the beginning balance more than ending balance, the accounts will be at credit side, and if the ending balance more than beginning balance, the accounts will be at debit side. So first, for land, 60,000 minus with 0 will become 60,000 at credit side. And then for equipment, 131,000 minus 140,000 is 9,000 at debit side. Then for inventory, 90,000 minus with 110,000 will get 20,000 at debit side. Next, for accounts receivable, 40,000 minus with 53,000 will get 13,000 at debit side. And the cash, 30,000 minus with 65,000 will get 35,000 at debit side. Alright, for credit accounts, if the beginning balance more than ending balance, the accounts will be at debit side, while if the ending balance more than beginning balance, the accounts will be at credit side. So for share capital ordinary shares, 170,000 minus with 180,000, we will get 10,000 and it will be at credit side. Next, for retained earnings, 60,000 minus with 71,000, we will get 11,000 at credit side. Next, for bonds payable, 25,000 minus with 10,000, we will get 15,000 at debit side. Next, for accumulated depreciation of equipment, 81,000 minus with 95,000, we will get 14,000 at credit side. Then for accounts payable, 15,000 minus with 12,000, we will get 3,000 at debit side. And then we total it. For debit, the total is 95,000. And then for credit, also 95,000. Okay, next the question asks we to prepare the statement of cash flows of success sendirian berhad for the year ended 31 December 2021 using the indirect method format. So I have already do the column for statement cash flow indirect method. So the cash flows from operating activities for net income, the amount is, we take at this net profit before taxation is 21,000, which is our net income. And then for adjustment to reconcile net income to net cash flow from operating activities is include the depreciation of equipment, which is 14,000. And then also include the increase in inventory. So the increase in inventory, we must deduct the amount, which is 20,000. And then also include the increase in accounts receivable. The amount also we must deduct. The amount is 13,000. And then also include the decrease in bond payable. The amount also we must deduct. So the amount for bond payable is 15,000. Then for decrease in accounts payable, also we deduct the amount, which is 3,000. And then lastly is loss on sale of land. For loss on sale of land, we will see at this additional financial information. The land which originally cost 60,000 was sold for 52,000. So this company has lost about 8,000. So the amount of loss on sale of land is 8,000. And then we total up the adjustment, we will get 29,000. And then we total up the net income and the total of adjustment of operating activities, we will get negative 8,000. And then for cash flows from investing activities is include the purchase of equipment, which is the amount is 9,000. So we must deduct the amount. And then for sale of land, we will take the 52,000. And then we total up, we will get 43,000. And then for cash flows from financing activities is include the payment of cash dividend, which is 10,000. Then the amount we must deduct. And then for issuance of ordinary shares, we take the amount at the difference of beginning balance and ending balance, which is 10,000. And then we total up, we will get 0. And then for net increase in cash, we will total up the negative 8,000 plus 43,000. We will get 35,000. And then cash at beginning of period, the amount is 30,000. This we take the amount 30,000 at beginning balance. So we total up, we will get 65,000.